This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to change the frequency of a recurring event in Google Calendar. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, and let's get started. So this particular event right here, Drop Off Subaru, this is an annually recurring event. You can see that it says annually on March 7th. I'm going to change this to monthly. This is how. Click the Edit Event icon, looks like a pencil. And then up here where it says annually on March 7th, I'm going to change the selector to monthly on the first Thursday. So if I click save, this means that this event will start taking place every month on the first Thursday of every month with no end time, instead of being annually on March the 7th. But there's another option too. If I want to change it to monthly on the 7th of every day, what I would do is select the dropdown, then select custom, and then it says monthly on the first Thursday. I'm going to change it to monthly on day 7. Click done, click save. And this and following events, that means it will change all of them. And we're good. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, you'll see the book that I wrote about Google Drive and Docs. Thank you so much for watching.